Hi everyone. As continuation to our previous classes, let us learn some more aspects how a verb changes into noun and how a verb changes into noun, adjective and adverb by adding some suffixes. If you take the word prescribe, what is prescribe? Actually, prescribe is verb. If you frame a sentence with the word prescribe, doctor prescribed me this medicine, we say. And if you use it as prescription, then it turns to be noun, right? By adding tion, shun, the same word turns to be noun. Then if you make use of it in sentence, then the sentence turns to be doctor gave me some prescription. Doctor prescribed me this medicine. Doctor gave me prescription of this medicine. So what did we do here? We changed verb into noun by adding the suffix shun, tion, shun. Similarly, we have many: intend, intention, pursue, perception. So we have many verbs can be changed into nouns by adding shun, tion. Not only that, sometimes verbs are changed into noun by adding suffix, and nouns are in turn changed into adjectives, and adjectives can be in turn changed into adverbs by adding some suffixes. Let us know how can we do that. Now let's take the word intend. What is intend? It's verb. Intention. By adding suffix tion, shun, intend, the verb turned to be noun, right? Intentional. By adding two more letters, it's like suffix, we got adjective. Intention is noun and intentional is adjective. By adding ly to the adjective, again ly is suffix. So we got adverb. So what did we get here? From the verb, by adding some suffix, we got noun. By adding some suffix to noun, we got adjective. By adding some suffix to adjective, we got adverb. This is also one of the way of improving our vocabulary. Let us frame sentences with these words. Let's observe the sentences given here. I didn't intend to stamp your feet. What is intend there? It is verb. Second sentence. It is not my intention to stamp your feet. Here intention is abstract noun. It is not my intentional action. Here action is noun. So intentional is adjective. Now observe the fourth sentence. I haven't stamped your feet intentionally. Here intentionally is adverb. So what did we do here? We had taken only one word. We changed it into noun, adjective and adverb. Once again, you see if these words are giving justification to parts of speech. So students, to improve your vocabulary and how to make use of them in sentences, you take some words and make use of them in sentences.